Hello everyone, I'm Diljot and I'm a dreamer. Having excelled in academics throughout my life, I went on to pursue my dream of acting. I always had a dream of being an actress and I went on to pursue it professionally. Being a dreamer myself and having excelled in academics, I always wanted to support the unrealized and unfulfilled dreams of the underprivileged. As an actor, I used to travel far and wide, and I noticed that there are a number of individuals who are poor and underprivileged, who are talented, who are passionate to follow their dreams, but they don't have the resources, and due to impoverished conditions, lack of support and guidance, they are unable to follow their dreams. I always have been doing the philanthropic initiatives ever since I was a child. Then I thought of creating an umbrella organization, namely a registered trust by the name of Dreambuds Foundation. This is a registered trust where we support the unfulfilled dreams of the underprivileged. We always undertake a pilot survey before we undertake our initiatives so that we can gauge that what kind of help is needed by the poor, so that we support them in a way which helps them to be economically independent and helps them to follow their dreams in a sustainable way. In a recent initiative, we helped Samir. He is a young boy who has a dream of being an artisan. He carves different utensils made of mud, diyas, earthen pots, and utensils. That is his dream. He wants to grow up being an artisan. And when we met Samir and his family, his father Sudagarji, we realized how passionate he is for his dream. And he has so much zeal and passion to follow his dream. And we thought, let's help him. Let's help him to follow his dream of being an artisan. And we went to him. So we got to know the raw material that they use to make these utensils or the earthen pots made out of mud. They expressed that the entire material is very expensive, whether it's the paints or the mud or whatever they use. We told them to make a list of things, and as and when needed, we would come and help them with the raw materials. And we did as well. So on Diwali, they made a lot of utensils, diyas, earthen pots, and they sold it.
ਮੇਰਾ ਨਾਮ ਸਮੀਰ ਹੈ। ਮੈਂ 8ਵੀਂ ਜਮਾਤ ਦਾ ਵਿਦਿਆਰਥੀ ਹਾਂ। ਮੈਂ ਵਿਹਲੇ ਟਾਈਮ ਵਿੱਚ ਚਿੱਤਰ ਬਣਾਉਣੇ, ਕਬੱਡੀ ਖੇਡਣੇ, ਫੋਨ ਚਲਾਉਣਾ। ਮੈਂ ਭਾਂਡੇ ਬਣਾਉਣੇ ਪਾਪਾ ਨੂੰ ਦੇਖ ਦੇਖ ਕੇ ਸਿੱਖਿਆ ਜੀ। ਮੈਨੂੰ ਦਿੱਕਤ ਆਉਂਦੀ ਹੈ ਮਿੱਟੀ ਮਹਿੰਗੀ ਹੈ ਜੀ, ਬਾਕੀ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਚੀਜ਼ ਵਰਤੋਂ ਵਿੱਚ ਆਉਂਦੀ ਹੈ ਜੀ ਉਹ ਮਹਿੰਗੀ ਹੈ ਜੀ। ਇੱਕ ਜਿਹੜੀਆਂ ਮੋਟਰਾਂ ਹੈ ਜੀ ਇਹ ਜ਼ਿਆਦਾ ਬਿਜਲੀ ਖਾਂਦੀਆਂ ਜੀ। ਡ੍ਰੀਮ ਬਰਡਸ ਨੇ ਜੋ ਵੀ ਸਾਨੂੰ ਵਰਤੋਂ ਵਿੱਚ ਆਉਂਦਾ ਉਹ ਸਮਾਨ ਦਿੱਤਾ, ਜਿਵੇਂ ਰੰਗ, ਮਿੱਟੀ। ਸਾਡੀ ਬਣਾਉਣ ਦੀ ਕੀਮਤ ਘੱਟ ਗਈ, ਜਿਹੜੀ ਅਸੀਂ ਚੀਜ਼ ਵੇਚਦੇ ਹਾਂ ਜੇ ਸਾਡਾ ਗੁਜ਼ਾਰਾ ਚੰਗਾ ਹੋ ਜਾਂਦਾ ਹੈ। ਮੇਰਾ ਵੱਡਾ ਹੋ ਕੇ ਸੁਪਨਾ ਕਿ ਮੈਂ ਹੋਰ ਜ਼ਿਆਦਾ ਬਰਤਨ ਬਣਾਵਾਂ ਤੇ ਲੋਕ ਸਾਡੇ ਬਰਤਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਵੱਧ ਤੋਂ ਵੱਧ ਦੇ ਕੇ ਜਾਣ। ਮੇਰੀ ਬੇਨਤੀ ਹੈ ਸਾਰੇ ਲੋਕਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਮਿੱਟੀ ਦੇ ਬਰਤਨ ਛੋਟੇ ਦੁਕਾਨਦਾਰਾਂ ਤੋਂ ਖਰੀਦਣ। ਅਰੀ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਭਾਂਡੇ ਬਣਾਉਂਦੇ ਅਸੀਂ ਵੇਚਦੇ ਹਾਂ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਦਾ ਇੱਕ ਫਿਕਸ ਰੇਟ ਹੋਣਾ ਚਾਹੀਦਾ ਹੈ ਜੀ। ਪਰ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਭਾਂਡੇ ਦੀ ਵਰਤੋਂ ਵਿੱਚ ਚੀਜ਼ ਆਉਂਦੀ ਹੈ ਜੀ ਉਹ ਸਸਤੀ ਹੋਣੀ ਚਾਹੀਦੀ ਹੈ ਜੀ।
They make things at no cost with our support and further sell it and earn money out of that. So Samir is following his dream and at the same time he's financially independent. His family is financially independent. So the next is Dharminder. Dharminder always had a desire or always had a dream of being an environmentalist. When we met Dharminder, I was really impressed that he wanted to do something for the environment. He always expressed a desire that he wants to plant as many as trees or plants or flowers as possible. So he is very poor, he is a gardener by profession, but he earns a very meager amount of money and also has a large family to support. So he expressed that he cannot devote so much money in buying different plants and further planting them. So on and often we buy him plants and trees and go with him to plant different trees at different places. Like recently we went to a village school where we planted trees at the school ground, and when the trees grow, the kids would be benefited by that.
मेरा नाम धर्मेंद्र कुमार है जी। मैं यूपी का रहने वाला हूँ जी। 5 साल से मैं माली का काम कर रहा हूँ जी। ये मेरे पिताजी माली का काम करते थे, उनसे मैंने सीखा है जी। मेरे तो गुजारे करने की तनख्वाह मेरे बच्चे भी हैं सर, क्योंकि मैं खुद तो सर पेड़ लगा नहीं सकता अपने पैसों ला के। जो ड्रीम बॉक्स फाउंडेशन उन्होंने मुझे पेड़ दिए फ्री, वो मैं ला के लगा देता हूँ जी। मेरा एक सपना है, मेरा काफ़ी बड़ा बगीचा हो, बाग बगीचा हो, उसमें ढेर सारे फूल हैं, बाग हों, फल भी वाले बूटे हों। इससे खुशहाली मिलती है जी, हवा भी मिलती है जी, सबको अच्छा लगता है जी।
Dharminder worries about the global climate change and he wants to plant as many trees as possible. So that will benefit him and the entire society. We really appreciate his desire and his dream of being an environmentalist and support him in every way. Continuing with our magical journey of philanthropic endeavors, next we met Sukha. Sukha always had a dream to be economically independent. He always expressed his desire that how much he may earn, whether less or more, he wants to stand on his own feet. So he started working as a laborer. But as a laborer, he always earned a meager amount of money because he had work on 1 or 2 days and rest of the days he wouldn't find any work. And when we met Sukha, he told us that his dream of being economically independent, he doesn't have any mobility. So he cannot afford any amount to take a bus or an auto rickshaw to reach at the place of his work. So he expressed his desire that we should donate a bicycle to him.
सुखा है जी, मेरे 3 भरा जी, कल्ली मम्मी डैडी है नहीं जी। दिहाड़ीदार बंदा जी, 1 दिन दिहाड़ी मिलती है, 2 दिन विहले रहना पैंदा जी। दिहाड़ी विच मेरा जी सरिया दा जी, लैंटरां का हो गया जी, कदी कदाई पेंट का भी मिल जांदा जी। बाकी 2-3 दिन विहले भी रहना पैंदा जी, होर काम कोई आंदे नहीं। घर जोगा पैसे नहीं हैगे जी, ਜਿਹੜੇ कणक कुणक मिलती थी वो भी साडी ਅੱਗ ਉੱਗ ਲੱਗੀ ਤੀ ਜੀ, ਸਾਰਾ ਸਮਾਨ ਫੁੱਕ ਗਿਆ ਜੀ। ਪਾਣੀ ਦਾ ਗੋਡਾ ਗੋਡਾ ਆਉਂਦਾ ਜੀ, ਇੰਨਾ ਪਾਣੀ ਆ ਜਾਂਦਾ ਇੰਨਾ ਜੀ। ਮੰਮੀ ਦੀ ਰੋਟੀ ਪਕਾਉਣ ਦੀ ਜਗ੍ਹਾ ਹੈ ਨਹੀਂ ਜੀ। ਮੰਮੀ ਰੋਟੀ ਨਹੀਂ ਬਣਦੀ ਸੀ, ਮਿਹਨਤ ਲਾ ਕੇ ਰਾਤ ਨੂੰ ਆਉਂਦੇ ਜੀ ਕੰਪਰ ਤੇ ਜੀ। ਮੇਰੀ ਮਾਤਾ ਨੇ ਨਾ ਬਾਂਹ ਟੁੱਟੀ ਹੈ ਜੀ, ਬਹੁਤ ਪਰੇਸ਼ਾਨ ਹੋਏ। ਦਵਾਈ ਦੇ ਡਾਕਟਰ ਕਹਿੰਦਾ ਵੀ ਆਪਰੇਸ਼ਨ ਹੋਣਾ ਤੇਰੀ ਬਾਂਹ ਦਾ, ਵੀ 1.5 ਲੱਖ ਰੁਪਏ ਤੂੰ ਕਿੱਥੇ ਦੇਊਂਗਾ। मैं माता कहती दवाई खाई जा, पर ऐसे कितने करूँगा जी। फिर मेरी माता घरे आ गई, फिर पत्थरियाँ ढिड में, और मैं क्या करूँ। सानू साइकिल मिली है जी, बहुत फायदा होया सानू। हुण किन्ना मोहाली तक जांदा साइकिल, पैसे जांदे सी, खर्चा हुंदा ता जी साडा 50-100 रुपये डेली हुंदे, जे दिहाड़ी भी 200 रुपये हुंदी, 250 रुपये हुंदी सी। हुण साइकिल तो हैगा जी, बहुत फायदे दिते साइकिल ने जी।
Dreambuds Foundation donated a bicycle to Sukha and he goes to different places for his work at no cost. We are thankful that he could follow his dream and we could help him in that. Recently, in the Next initiative, we helped 20 underprivileged girls and bought them a cycle, which helped them in pursuing their dream of education. The 20 girls that were enlisted by the school principal and the entire staff, they expressed that they used to come far off distances walking, and when they would walk such long distances, they couldn't further concentrate on their studies. And when they got back home, they were too tired to do their homework and further continue with their studies. So we thought of giving them a bicycle each, which helps them commute from home to school and back to home, and helps them to further pursue their dream of education. In the Next initiative, we helped Khushpreet and Navjot who have a dream of education. Khushpreet and Navjot are taken care of by their paternal grandmother who is in the 70s. Their father had died and the mother abandoned them. So paternal grandmother is the only one taking care of them. When we met them, paternal grandmother used to go as a house help to different places. She used to wash utensils and do house cleaning of different people. But the amount she earned out of that was too meager to make them further study. So when we met them, we could see the dream of education in their eyes, and we told them that we would support you in your dream. We give them books, stationery, school uniforms, dresses, and anything needed for their dream of education.
ਇਹਨਾਂ ਦੇ ਮਾਤਾ ਪਿਤਾ ਜੀ ਮਾਤਾ ਛੋੜ ਕੇ ਪਹਿਲੇ ਚਲੀ ਗਈ ਸੀ 2 ਮਹੀਨੇ ਦੀ। ਉਹ ਕਹਿੰਦੀ ਵੀ ਮੈਂ ਆਪਣਾ ਉਹ ਕਰਾਉਣਾ ਵਿਆਹ, ਵੀ ਮੈਂ ਰੱਖਣੀ ਕੁੜੀਆਂ ਨਹੀਂ ਰੱਖਣੀਆਂ ਹੈਗੀਆਂ। ਫਿਰ 3 ਸਾਲ ਬਾਅਦ ਮੇਰੇ ਬੇਟੇ ਦਾ ਐਕਸੀਡੈਂਟ ਹੋ ਗਿਆ। ਚੱਲ ਫਿਰ ਹੁਣ 6ਵਾਂ ਸਾਲ ਲੱਗ ਗਿਆ ਬੇਟੇ ਨੂੰ ਮੇਰੇ ਨੂੰ ਮੁੱਕੇ ਨੂੰ। ਸਾਰੀ ਟੀਮ ਨੇ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਕਿਤਾਬਾਂ ਦੀ ਹੈਲਪ ਕੀਤੀ, ਵਰਦੀਆਂ ਦੀ ਹੈਲਪ ਕੀਤੀ, ਚੰਗਾ ਸਕੂਲ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਦਿੱਤਾ, ਬਹੁਤ ਸਹਾਰਾ ਹੈ ਜੀ। ਜਿੱਦਾਂ ਦੀਆਂ ਬੱਚੀਆਂ ਗਲ ਪੈ ਗਈਆਂ ਵਿਚਾਰੀਆਂ, ਇੱਦਾਂ ਤਾਂ ਮੇਰੇ ਤੋਂ ਕੋਈ ਕੰਮ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੋਏ। ਉਦੋਂ ਤੋਂ ਸਗੋਂ ਮੈਂ ਮਰੀਜ਼ ਬਣ ਗਈ, ਮੈਨੂੰ ਹਾਰਟ ਦੀ ਪ੍ਰੋਬਲਮ ਆ ਗਈ। ਉਦੋਂ ਤੋਂ ਬਾਅਦ ਤਾਂ ਮੈਂ ਬਸ ਆਪਣੇ ਆਪ ਨੂੰ ਉਹ ਕਰੀ ਬੈਠੀ ਹਾਂ। ਇੱਕ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਦੇ ਭਾਗਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਮੈਂ ਜਿਉਂਦੀ ਹਾਂ। ਪਤਾ ਨਹੀਂ ਕਿਹੜੀ ਦੀ ਕਿਸਮਤ ਨਾਲ ਮੈਂ ਰੋਟੀ ਖਾਂਦੀ ਹਾਂ, ਇਹ ਨਹੀਂ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਪਤਾ।
And every day, the paternal grandmother, she sleeps with that burden on her mind that if she doesn't get up the next day, what will happen to these girls? So that is very emotional. We were here to help them with the dream of education, and it's an ongoing process. Every year we provide them with the academic notebooks, stationery, dresses, school uniforms, the shoes, everything that aids them in fulfillment of their dream of education. So every case study we go to, it's a very emotionally gratifying experience. We go to them, and you know, when you understand them, their families, their situations, you feel very humbled. When I started working through my foundation, I feel humbled. I feel humbled at how blessed I am. I am blessed because I have everything by the God's grace. And then when I meet them, I feel they are happy in little things of life, and how selflessly we can help other people. So I would tell everybody to join us in the Humanitarian Act, and let's help these people who need us the most, because I know the passion of pursuing the dreams. Everyone can dream. Yes, you may be poor, you may be rich, or anybody, any gender, from any caste, creed or religion. You can dream.